I was having a problem with this AC compressor. It was cycling too fast every 30 seconds. So found the problem. Hopefully it'll help one of you guys. It's an 85 ramcharger, so you might have a D150 similar, truck. But I'll show you guys the problem. Compressor cycling too quickly. It's called the thermostatic switch, or the capillary tube. Okay, you guys will find it on this ramcharger. It's over here on the wall, firewall, right hand side. So it goes inside AC line. This will be the low side. It goes inside here like 4.5 inches inside. So I'm gonna show you guys the part number. I got it at AutoZone, $14, and that'll fix your problem. 2 screws, one here and one here. The other one's set a little different. Show you guys the old one. There's the old one. That's the tip of it. See, this one's a little shorter, way shorter. Then this one was sitting like this. It was sitting like that, and it will go inside that little hole. This will keep your evaporator from freezing, but if the switch goes bad, this switch, if it goes bad, then your compressor is going to be cycling too often, not enough cooling. I took it out for a ride earlier, and the temperature in my AC went down to 58 degrees, so on the freeway. But anyways, here's the packet from AutoZone. Hopefully it'll help some of you guys. Yeah, it's right there, but it's working now. Thank you much.